Yeah. When we discuss about that, right? Vectors. So we discussed about length and mass. Okay. Okay. There is a certain physical quantities such as length, time, mass, temperature, electric charge that may be specified by a single real number. Okay, and a mass,
Yes, sir.
for example, may be specified by the positive number, okay, equal to the ratio of the given mass to its unit mass. Okay, and charges, electric charges may be specified by number, positive or negative. Okay, and
Yes.
the quantities of that this sort is called uh, as scalar quantities. Okay, and the numbers that represent them are often called as scalars. Okay, now on the other hand, some physical quantities requiring direction as well as magnitude for their specification. So thus uh, uh, by its length and direction. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
a displacement may be represented graphically by a segment of a straight line. Okay, having definite length and direction. So we shall call such a directed segment a vector. Okay, so a vector is a segment of a straight line regarded as having a definite length and direction. Okay, and
Yes,
uh, now, so let us solve this.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So this would be square root of 1 square plus 2 square, which is 5, root 5. Okay, and b would be square root of 2 square plus 1 square. Okay, which would be root 5, right? So let us find the unit vector. So that will be a, which is equal to 1 by mod a, right? 1 by mod a into a. So mod a, or the magnitude of this, will be square root of a square plus b square plus c square, which gives us root 14. So we know what is a, which is 2i plus 3j plus k, right? So you get a cap, which is equal to 2 by root 14 I plus 3 by root 14 j, and this will be 1 by root 14 k. Okay, so this is the unit vector. Find this, find the vector uh, in the direction of a vector which is I minus 2j, and that has got the magnitude as 7 units. So let us solve this. Now the unit vector, which is a cap, we know the formula, that is 1 by mod a and a. Okay, so mod a, which is the square of 1 square plus 2 square, which is root 5, right? And a cap would be 1 by root 5 I minus 2 by root 5 j. Okay, so we got the unit vector here. Okay, now this has got a magnitude which is 7 units. So let us put that 7a would be 7 by root 5 I minus 14 by root 5 j. So magnitude with 7 units.
Yes.
Yeah, so let us solve this. We have been given that a and
Dot
b
B
is
was
equal to 1. Yeah, and the length. Okay, so uh, that is mod a, which is equal to 1 magnitude, and mod b, which is equal to 2. Now we have theta, which is cos inverse a dot b by mod a mod b. Okay, so which is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2, okay, which is equal to pi by 3. That is the angle. Let us solve this. Okay, fine. Now PQ, which is 4 minus 1 into I plus 5 minus 2 j
J.
plus 6 minus 3 k, right? So which is equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3k, right? Now let us find the magnitude of this PQ. So which is 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. Okay.
Yes.
So which is nothing but square root of uh, this would be 9 plus 9 plus 9. So which is 27, which is equal to 3 root 3. Now the unit vector, okay, the unit vector which will be PQ, right, divided by mod PQ. Okay, so which will be if you cancel that, right? So first we'll put 3i plus 3j and 3k, so which will be 3 root 3. So you can cancel out the common terms there. So you will get as 1 by root 3i plus 1 by root 3j and 1 by root 3k, right? So this will be the unit vector. Okay, let us find the solution for this. Okay. So A, which is I plus 2j plus 3k, right? So the magnitude of this will be square root of 1 square plus 2 square and 3 square, which gives out to be root 14. Okay, 14. And the direction cosines of A are are 1 by root 14, okay, and 2 by root 14 and 3 by root 14. These are the direction cosines. Okay, so let us find the angle between the vectors. Okay, for this you have to find the magnitude of A, which is I minus 2I plus 3j, and the magnitude of B, which is 3I minus 2j plus k. You have to get that magnitude of A and B, and then the dot product of A and B, right? And the angle, which is theta, which you have to find. So let us first find the respect to A. Okay, A is I minus 2j 3k, and B is 3I plus 2j plus k, right? So mod A of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay, so we get that as root 14. Okay,
Yes.
okay, and B, we get that as square root of 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So this again will get root 14. Okay, now let us find what is A dot B. Okay, so which is I minus 2j plus 3k dot 3I minus 2j plus k. So which results to 3, okay, plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so which results to 10. Okay, so theta, which is cos inverse, that is 10 by the value which you get as, so that would be root 14 into root 14. Okay, so which is nothing but 10 by 14, which is equal to cos inverse 5 by 7. So this is the final answer. Okay, let us find the solution for this. Now, given the vectors, if you consider A as I plus 3j plus 7k, right? And for B, vector as 7I minus j plus 8k, right? So let us
Yes.
consider this. Now, projection of A on B, okay? Projection of A on B, right? Which is given by A dot B, right? Divided by mod B. Okay, this is what we are going to find. So A dot B, so that is 7 minus 3, right? And 56.
Yes.
And this will be square root of 7 square, right? 7 square, 1 square, and 8 square, right? So after simplifying it, we we get that as 60 by, this is 56 plus 64 plus 1 gives out to be 114. Okay. So this is for the position of A on B.
Yes.